Welcome to this video. We are continuing our beginners tutorial series, and in today's series, we will try to analyze some data around the seconds, like is in current second, is in next second, or is it in previous second. What I've done, I created some data around today's date so that we can successfully do all those things. So let's go ahead and check it out. Can we do it successfully? So data is getting loaded. I've created a little bit of data so that we can cover second, next and second and all those. So it's going to be very similar what we have done for the other time. So let it load, and once it is loaded, we are going to go to transform data, and there we are going to do these transformations. So let's quickly jump into the transform data. It's taking a little bit of time to load. Meanwhile, let me pause the video and come back. So data is loaded. Let's go to transform data. And in the transform data, what we are going to do is we are going to create some new columns. And in those columns, we are going to use these functions. So let's, this has been wrongly renamed. Let's call it date time. Okay, so seems like we have quite a bit of data. Let's see, do we have the data in the next second? Yes or no? We will be able to see that. So let's create an add column and create a custom column. So we check for is current second, something like that we will check. So we have date time dot is in current second, and we give date time into that one, and we say okay, yes, and it's going to return true and false. So let's say, does it return any true? It's returning only false. Let's say load more, and we got it true because the way we created data is that so right now it's just that moment. Okay, it might change. Okay, so let's go it and quickly create the other one because this is second. We don't have much time around it. Okay, next second. So we come here, date time, D capital T capital, is in next second. And see, this is why I don't prefer to press enter. Sometime this Power BI removes what we have done, and this is again going to return what it is going to return, true and false. So is in next second, only 1 second we are talking about right now. Again, the list might be complete. Load more, true. Let's look for the true. Okay, this is true, this is false, and see, time is changing. Clear filters. Next one. So next one, what we are going to create, is it previous second? Okay, so we say custom column, previous second, and we say date time is in previous and date time. Okay, no syntax error. Let's search for this. List is not complete. I created a lot of data because every second is important in this case. So let's say true is only 1 second. Okay, and please note, we have more than 1 day of data, and it's only talking about next second and this second context of the date right now. Okay, so that's, you should be you should be aware about this fact. So let's say select all. We'll say clear filter. So try these things out. These are function very specifically you might not need on the day-to-day basis, but if when you need it, very important functions available in Power Query under the transform data. So go ahead and try that out. Do let us know what else you want us to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching these videos. Thank you.